handling food and all the food stalls happening around. There's a lot of fun happening right now. There's trust going on. Lights will be happening late night, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Food stalls like Subway, Sbarro. Really looking forward to this event. This is my first event for sure. This big concert, and I'm very happy to do this.
We're planning to do one of the best shows for Arijit Singh. So it's a beautiful venue, the D.Y. Patil Stadium. So we are trying to do the best experience the audience could get. Hopefully think this is one of the final layouts, and there are not much changes. This is just the lights going up. We didn't expect it to be so cold in the Navi Mumbai. Just about 10-20% of the stadium going up. Set up. It's a lot.
It's like we're working since a month for Arijit Singh, not only month, before that also, and it's been such a good experience. We're working on all the creators, from the entrance, from the backdrops, from the main entry gate, everything, all collaterals for Arijit Singh, and we're really looking forward for the event to be a very big successful event.
Most expensive, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. First one, that's are closed. No one enters there. Obvious reason because some Hey guys, what's up? So you can see the setup happening, so you can see the chaos what is happening. We're expecting a like 30,000 crowd coming in. You can see the chairs around. If you pan, if I can ask the camera guy to pan over, check out the chairs. So it's a great setup, it's a great event for us. We're looking forward to a great event and I hope to see you all there.
The first event of my life. I'm too excited. I'm getting to learn many things, production. I'm interested in production, so I'm handling stage, lights, sound, etc. It's good to have this experience. I'm having fun, masti, fun, we're having work.
Arijit Singh live. I've been fangirling on him since ages now. In being in artist management myself, Think Tank Entertainment has given me this good opportunity of managing this big event. Received the team from Chennai and I can see their dedication towards this grand symphony. They've been carrying their instruments along and they're so possessive about it. It's going to be grand.
Challenges. Only challenges. There's nothing like no challenges. Only thing that's happening here are challenges. Right from relationships with vendors, everything's being challenged right now. Honest to God, this show has actually changed my life around. I mean, so many things that changed during this show in my life, unbelievable. Hope things get changed for the better post this show. You can see the entire expanse.
Today what we're doing is something really different in terms of what Arijit has done in the past. crazy LED walls, a lot of things happening. Beautiful truss put up, lots of lights. We're gonna have the rehearsals in some time. Waiting for Arijit and his 45 ensemble to come here. We've got instruments coming up right now, waiting for the sound and everything.
This setup, LED setup, this sound setup, the whole beauty of the stage was only in papers now and it's in reality. So I can expect a big happy faces from tomorrow. Mad time. Expecting big and good, expecting a very good evening tomorrow. There's gonna be a huge setup and there's gonna be a huge crowd coming in. So we're expecting a lot tomorrow. So we're all geared up for tonight. Let's see what happens tomorrow.